In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning image hover effects using Common Ninja and seamlessly integrate them into your Framer project. This can be a fantastic way to make your images more interactive and engaging without needing to dive deep into complex programming. To start off, go to commonninja.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar right at the top. This is a handy tool for finding what you need on the site. Type in image hover effects and hit enter. This will lead you to a selection of hover effects that Common Ninja offers. Next, you'll see the option to click on Create an Image Hover Effects. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a new page where you can start customizing your hover effect right away. On the left-hand side, there are options for customization. Here, you can add an image to work with. So simply click on Add Image. You'll see a few options pop up. Select Upload Image and then Upload File. Now, here comes an important step. To actually upload your image, you'll need to make sure your account is upgraded to a plan that supports image uploads. But don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just click on Upload Now, and you'll be presented with plan options. Choose the one that best suits your needs and complete the upgrade. Once your image is uploaded into the system, it's important to ensure your changes are saved. This is vital to prevent any work from being lost. So remember to click Save Changes before you move forward. After everything is set up and saved, it's time to publish your hover effect. Click Publish, and this will generate a code snippet. You'll need to copy this code as it is crucial for the next steps. Now, let's move on to Framer. When you're back in Framer, look to the left side of the screen and click Insert. You'll see various options pop up, so hover over to Utility under the Elements section. Here, you're going to find the Embed tool. Drag this tool onto your canvas or wherever you'd like your image hover effect to appear. On the right-hand side of the screen, under the Embed settings, you'll see a tab labeled HTML. Click on that and paste the code you copied from Common Ninja into this section, then press Enter. This will embed your recently created hover effect onto your Framer project. Finally, take a good look at your project. Make sure everything looks as you'd expect and is working smoothly. If it is, then you're ready to share your hard work with the world. Just click Publish in Framer, and your interactive image will be live for everyone to see. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create and integrate image hover effects using Common Ninja and Framer.